I dropped off my car at the dealer to do an oil change, and they actually finished up. So we're gonna go head up to go pick it up. And honestly, the oil looks really good. The last time they replaced the oil was probably like 5,000 miles ago. And from all the gassing I've been doing, dude, the oil's still big chilling, which is great. Oh man, that feels amazing. Dude, nah, this car is never gonna get old. Keep grinding, you know, like buying these cars is kind of like just motivation just to like figure out more ways out to make more money, you know what I mean? I want freedom, boys, I want freedom. This is like one step closer, you know? To get to the next level, I really need to like experience freedom. I need to make money that can provide freedom. Oh my goodness. Oh man, it feels amazing. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna go pick up my dad, head to the dealership. Dude, I'm honestly surprised at how well like the oil kept up. Usually these kind of oils get like nasty when you just pretty much rape the car. What the? Oh my goodness, it sounds insane. I wish, okay, I don't know, like I just cannot wait to straight out the M5. Right now I'm just trying to make some big money moves before I buy the M5 and buy the pipes, because bro, 5K is insane just to get like I don't want to just delete the muffler. I need valves, you know, I need them. Oh my goodness, terrorizing neighborhoods, bro. This is the freaking car to do that with. Holy. The street up is so nice because it's like just free, absolutely free. What the heck? Dude, that's insane. I'm gonna be honest. This car feels insane. What the heck? It's honestly pretty quick. Like I put these kind of tires. They're like low-key kind of cheap. They're not too cheap, but like they last longer. They're not as grippy, but honestly, dude, it's just better overall. These tires are better overall just because I want to still do burnouts, still want to do drifts, like in obviously not illegally, you know, like at a place where like you can legally do drifts. So that's why I got cheap ones, because I want to burn these through. That's insane, bro. I'm gonna go pick up my dad and then head to the dealership. Crazy. Oil change is done. They gave me a sample of the oil. I love these guys. The freaking M's are the X6 M's are clean. Anyways, I can't believe I'm back. I can't believe I'm back at this dealership with the M5. Let's go, boys. There's the Hellcat. Oof, sound looks so good, so beast. But pretty much, yeah, they made a really good video on the oil, so I'm gonna put the video in right now. Squad goes crazy. Dad driving the Hellcat back. Let's go. Dang, that. Get this box out of the way. Dude, that car goes crazy. I still can't believe I have it, guys. I'm gonna be honest with you. Like, I don't know why. I feel like life has been like on autopilot, dude. I don't even feel like. I don't know. I feel like I can't enjoy every moment because I'm just trying to work harder, learn more. Just so I think it's just too. When the time comes, I'll be able to enjoy it. You know. For now, I just gotta keep grinding. The Hellcat goes. Oh my goodness, that thing goes crazy. Looking at the car, looking at your car from the outside, it's a whole different thing, dude. Whole different thing. Holy. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Dude, these shifts are so nasty. Dude, these turbos are so nice. Oh my goodness. Dude, those farts are just so aggressive, man. This is the only reason why I got V8, bro. Is because they're so aggressive. Yeah, right now I'm saving up for a pipe. I'll probably do payments on it just because I see literally no point in paying it off in full. 5K, bro, is wild for a pipe, but I have to do it though, especially for YouTube and stuff. Oh my god. This street's perfect. Dude, the Hellcat looks so good. The camera does not do any freaking justice, bro. Any. Oh my goodness. I still haven't done a M5 versus Hellcat video. I still need to do that. I don't know why. I've just been so focused on work, dude. I haven't had the time, honestly. Or I haven't made the time for it. Oh my goodness. Dude, these POVs I've been posting with these M5, dude, you guys freaking love these, bro. I'm just gonna keep doing the same thing over and talk less. I know some people don't like when I talk, but some people like it when I talk, so it's like, you can't please everyone, you know? Oh my goodness. This is a different beast. It's a different beast. Oh my goodness. Dude, every time I look at the Hellcat behind me, it looks so crazy. Nah, dude, the Hellcat was definitely worth getting, man. I don't care what anyone's got to say. I'm happy I just got V8 foreigns. That's it. V8, twin turbo, V8 supercharger. It's like, that's all you need, dude. What else do I need? If I'm ever getting like a supercar, that's just because I made FU money, you know? That's it. That's pretty much it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Holy. Man, that car sounds amazing. Dude, why does it look so good? I don't regret it at all, dude. What the heck? It looks so good. Wow. You guys need to see this in IRL. This looks even crazier. Supercharger wine sounds crazy. Supercharger wine, he pretty much, of course he didn't have traction. Oh my gosh, that hurts my ears, dude. Sounds so good though. Dang. I don't regret getting that car at all, dude. Oh my goodness. Why is it? Dude, it has such a unique freaking look, dude. Dodge did a good job. They just needed to make it all-wheel drive, or at least have the way to change it back and forth. Dude, that looks so. Oh my goodness, nah, dude. This car is crazy. Sheesh. Oh my goodness.